first of all, I just want to thank you for allowing me to videotape your golf swing. I got to tell you, there's a lot of wonderful things going on in this swing. Great setup. The only thing I would be a little cautious of here is just check your alignment. I know we pulled this ball to the left, but we're actually aiming a little more to the right of our target than what we want to see, and I think part of that might be because your tendency might be to pull it to the left. I've got Adam Scott over here next to you, and the only reason I do is just to show you there's a lot of things that you're doing similar to Adam. I'm going to take him to the top, and as you can see here, he's keeping the club out in front of him, meaning it's pretty much on the elbow plane that I use to the top, okay? So what you're going to see in your swing, too, is pretty much the same thing. It might be a little bit to the extreme, okay? So you can see how your hands and arms are getting out and away from you. If we look at Adam here, let me just take him back down, and watch how his hands and arms actually work. His hands work straight back. They work just like the club does, back, up, and in, okay? But he still keeps it out in front of him. So you can see that his hands never did get on that line that I just drew, okay? So if I drew a line down on you, you're going to see that when you take the club away, see how your hands are getting out and away from you, bud? If we can just take that more, I mean, I guarantee you, if I videotaped you making a putt, I would bet $1,000 I wouldn't see your hands work like that. I'd see your hands work more straight back or down the line, and that's what we want to feel in this startup here. There's a putt in every swing, Willis. So if you can just imagine when you're taking this club back that you are putting to get those hands going more straight back, okay? Now, this is the wonderful thing in your swing. On the way down, let me get Adam back here to the top. Now watch how the club shallows. And it actually drops down below the elbow plane line that I'm using, okay? So this is how we can attack the ball from the inside. Now remember, in the golf swing, the face, to a large degree, Willis, controls the starting direction of the golf ball. The path creates the curve. So as you start this down, you're going to see, again, that you do a wonderful job of getting this thing shallow. Because remember how far out you took it, okay? So we're getting close to where we want to be. I'd like to see that club a little bit more underneath that line, and the face looking a little bit more to the right. So what we want to control more of now, Willis, and there's only two things. With your setup that you have here, you've got that knocked out. So the only two things that you really have to control in the golf swing is the face and the path. So if we can get that club a little bit more on line going up, that's going to give you a chance to get it more shallow coming in, and then controlling the face is where the ball starts. A lot of good stuff in that swing, though, Willis. Good job. If you're interested in understanding how to get that club working more up for you and controlling the face, give me a shout.